Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act. Why it is in the news? The Supreme Court recently held that disclosure made by an accused under Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act is irrelevant if the fact was previously known to the police. About Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act. This part makes a special case about when confessions made by someone to a police officer while in custody cannot be used as evidence. Section 25 and 26 protect against self-incrimination and misuse of power by the police, saying confessions made in police custody without a magistrate present cannot be used in court. But Section 27 makes a different rule, allowing confessions that help find out facts to be admitted. Section 27 says when a person in police custody confesses that leads to revealing a fact, that confessions can be used as evidence. In simpler words, if a confession in a police custody reveals something not known before and helps find evidence or witnesses, it can be used in court. The confessions must be about something that was not already known to the police and help find evidence or witnesses. The confession should be directly related to the fact found. So the details in the confession must be specific and important to the discovery. The confession must be given willingly. This means the person should not be forced or threatened to confess. Section 27 is all about confirming confessions through what happens later. In the Ashar Muhammad versus State of UP case, the Supreme Court said fact in the Section 27 isn't just physical things but also mental facts related to the case. The confession cannot prove someone's guilt unless there is other evidence supporting it. What does Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act allow in terms of confessions made by an accused in police custody? Option A. Confession made in police custody can always be used as evidence. Option B. Confessions made in police custody can only be used as evidence if they are made in front of a magistrate. Confessions made in police custody can be used as evidence if they reveal new facts leading to the discovery of evidence or witness. Option D. Confessions made in police custody cannot be used as evidence under any circumstances.